Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can achieve this wavy hair using a straightening iron. So if you'd like to see how you can get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by brushing my hair in order to get rid of any knots and tangles, and then I'm going to part my hair into two sections. Sorry about that. That was my baby. She's going to join us for the voiceover today. And I'm going to tie up the top section of my hair so that it's out of the way, because I'm going to start with the bottom section first. Once I'm done that, I'm going to part it down the center at the back so that my hair looks like that. And then we're going to get started with the straightening iron. Okay, so I'm going to grab a small portion of my hair and I'm going to clamp. Okay, no, I'm going to adjust my temperature first. I guess it was too high. And I'm going to clamp it and I'm going to flip it once. And then I'm going to pull that through my hair nice and easy towards the end. And you're going to end up with a tight curl like this. If you don't like tight curls like this, don't worry, because we're going to fix all of that in the end. So I'm going to grab another small portion. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to clamp it and then I'm going to flip it and then I'm going to pull that down towards the ends of my hair. Nice and easy. And I'm just going to repeat all of that throughout my entire lower section of my hair. You got to remember to, I guess you want to flip the, I didn't explain this properly, but you need to flip the iron away from your face. So once you clamp it, you want to flip it away and like towards the outside and pull. Let me see if you guys can see that with the next one as well. So you're going to clamp and flip outside and pull. Okay. And then when you're done one side of your hair, you're going to move on to the next side. You're just going to clamp it down, flip it once towards the outside and pull. And then you're going to clamp it down, flip it once towards the outside and pull. And then once you're done the entire lower half of your hair, you're going to tie it and do the top portion. You're going to repeat the same steps to the top portion of your hair. So you're just going to, again, clamp it down, flip it once towards the outside, and go easy on the pull. And until you're done until you're done the entire I can't focus with it. Until you're done the entire top section of your hair. And once you're done curling all of your hair, you're going to take out the bottom half of your hair and you're just going to run your fingers through it and even brush it if you want. If you want to keep the curls that tight, you can, but I like to brush my hair out a little bit, and then I also like to take the straightening iron through it a couple times so that my curls aren't as tight. And then once I'm done that, I like to put a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I don't like to use hairspray because I feel like my curls stay pretty well when it's done this way. And it actually lasts a couple days as well. Oh my god. And then, yeah, so this is my leave-in conditioner. I just run it through my hair with my fingers. And that's pretty much it. That's how I curl my hair, or that's how I get wavy hair with a straightening iron. And that's it. That's how I do my hair. I hope you guys all learned something from this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you guys would like to see more like this, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all next time. Bye.